Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by checking Mac OS and your Gmail account settings so the process is smooth. First, make sure your Mac is updated and you have enough disk space. This avoids permission or sync errors. Next, enable two-step verification in Google and create an app password if you plan to use Mac OS Mail with a map. This is more secure than plain passwords. Finally, decide whether to add Gmail to Apple Mail, use Safari/Chrome for web access, or install the Google app from the App Store. Now add Gmail to the Mail app. Open System Settings, go to Internet Accounts, and choose Google. This lets macOS fetch mail, contacts, and calendars. Sign in with your Google credentials and accept the requested permissions so Mail can sync properly. If you created an app password earlier, select Other Mail account instead and paste that password when prompted. Make sure incoming a map is a map. Gmail. COM and outgoing SMTP is SMTP. Gmail. COM with SSL. Once done, Mail will index your messages. This may take minutes depending on mailbox size. To finish, open Mail or Gmail in your browser and verify that folders, labels, and recent messages appear. Use Search to confirm indexing. Make any mail preference tweaks. Fetch interval, mailbox behaviors, signatures, so it fits your workflow. If messages fail to send or sync, first confirm a map is enabled in Gmail settings and that you use the app password if required. Then check Mac OS network access and firewall rules. If problems persist, remove the account and repeat the add account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.